Nano text editor for Android Termux. Now you might want to open your file, your text file at a particular line. For example, you might have 3,000 lines in the file you want to open, and you want to go directly to the maybe 1,000th line. It won't be nice if you are using this this arrow key down. It will not make sense if that is what you are using to navigate it. So why not just use nano plus, oh sorry, nano plus, maybe if you want to go to the 500th line, 500, then the file name, okay, then the file name. So in my own case, let me just go to the third line on file.txt. So I'll just say plus 3 file dot tab dot 3 file.txt. So enter. You can see it took control directly to line 3. You can see, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It took the control directly there. So that is to tell you that that is working properly. Now, for one reason or the other, you might want to open the configuration file or any file at all that is very delicate to the operation of the Linux environment or something like that. So you might want to open it in view mode only. You don't want to edit. You just want to open it and maybe check one or two information and you garbage out. So you can open a file in view mode. Okay, how can you do that? Let me Control X. So for me to open file.txt in view mode, nano, pass the v flag, then the file name, which is file.txt. Okay, if I try to enter anything, you can see key is invalid in view mode. I will not be able to enter anything. This is view mode basically, so I can't do anything. So Control X is the only thing I can do basically. Lastly, I want to show you how to enable line numbers when editing your text file using Nano. How to enable line numbers. So these line numbers, if you have, for example, 200 lines of code, it will be easier for you to traverse each of the lines if you can note that, okay, this is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 100, like that, like that. So I can just say Nano, I'll pass the L flag, okay? Then let me use new file.txt. You can see now I have line 1, line 2, line 3, up to line 8. So I can easily use the line to trace what is happening on in different sections of the text file or the code or the script, whatever it is. So you can use this one to access your phone storage, do whatever you want to do basically. Now, one pro tip that I would be giving you is that for one reason or the other, you might want to edit a file and the file is crucial. Okay, it's important. I would advise that you back up the file before you edit it. If you check the Essential Linux Commands tutorial, you will see it there where I showed how to do file editing and file management in that particular tutorial on Termux. So you can just check it out. So let me exit.